We'll guide you through how to use Dropbox for file sharing. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and head over to the Dropbox website at dropbox.com. Once there, you'll need to log in with your account credentials. If you don't have an account, you can quickly sign up by clicking the Sign Up button and following the prompts. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Dropbox homepage. To share a file, you need to start by uploading it to your Dropbox. Click the Upload button, usually found at the top right corner. Then choose Files, and select the file from your computer that you want to share. Once the file is uploaded, hover over it and click on the Share button that appears. A dialog box will pop up where you can enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the file with. You can also adjust their access permissions, either allowing them to view or edit the file. If you prefer to share the file via a link, click on Create a Link. This link can be copied and sent through email or any messaging service. Remember, you can also manage your shared files by clicking on the Shared tab on the left sidebar. Here you can see a list of all files you've shared, and you can update permissions or stop sharing if needed. Sharing files through Dropbox is a great way to collaborate with others, and these steps should help you get started. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.